Bosch Professional GHE 18V-50 review. Cordless power, fewer jams, less fatigue. Hedge trimming sounds simple until your arms ache and the blades keep snagging. You start strong, then halfway through, frustration creeps in. Last spring, I paused mid-hedge, staring at uneven lines and wondering why it felt so hard. It adds up. When tools fight you instead of helping, even a tidy garden feels out of reach. Ever felt that quiet irritation building? The real drain is time and focus. Stops, restarts, tangled cords, that sharp vibration in your hands by minute 20. A neighbor once missed a weekend gathering because his old trimmer kept stalling on thicker stems. That constant buzz lingers. Small delays quietly stretch into wasted afternoons, and the hedge still looks unfinished despite the effort. This is where the Bosch Professional GHE 18V-50 changes the rhythm of the job. Don't just pick any cordless hedge trimmer. Make sure it has anti-blocking technology so you avoid constant blade jams that everyone complains about. The brushless motor delivers steady, efficient power, helping you move through medium-density hedges without that sluggish slowdown. Its 50-centimeter blade shortens each pass, while the 20-millimeter cutting capacity handles thicker branches with control. The lightweight, well-balanced design reduces arm strain, and the ergonomic grip keeps movements precise rather than forced. Cordless freedom means no extension leads dragging behind you. A landscape contractor told me he nearly missed a client deadline after rain thickened the hedge growth. With this trimmer, he cleared it smoothly in one focused session. Calm efficiency. Because it runs on the Bosch Professional 18-volt system, an amp-share platform, many users quietly appreciate how easily it fits into an existing tool setup. That shared battery flexibility often becomes the unexpected long-term advantage. In daily use, the Bosch Professional GHE 18V-50 feels composed rather than aggressive. The anti-blocking system keeps the blade moving when branches resist, which means fewer interruptions and a smoother workflow. A garden machinery specialist described it as a solid choice for professionals who need consistent cutting without overcomplication. A DIY influencer mentioned how balanced it felt during longer sessions, noting that fatigue set in far later than expected. An industry reviewer highlighted the brushless motor for maintaining performance under load, while one homeowner simply said it made quick work of a hedge that usually takes me all afternoon. I noticed the quieter, emission-free operation right away when working near neighboring houses. Notice the difference. Instead of rushing to finish before complaints, you trim with steady focus. Some worry that 20mm capacity might be limiting, yet for typical residential hedges, it covers the majority of routine growth with confidence. Because it's part of the AmpShare and Bosch Professional 18-volt ecosystem, battery sharing adds practical efficiency behind the scenes. See why so many professionals refuse to work without it now. Could this simplify your weekend routine? If your current hedge trimmer feels heavy, loud, or inconsistent, upgrading to the Bosch Professional GHE 18V-50 is a practical step towards smoother results. Join the many professionals and serious DIY users who report steadier cutting and improved comfort over longer sessions. Results may vary depending on hedge type and battery choice. Built for real work. Click the link below to explore full details and see how the Bosch Professional GHE 18V-50 can transform your trimming routine today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.